You've entered the Creality website and you're in doubt. Should I get the Ender3 V3 or should I get the Creality High combo? Which one should I get? Stick in this video because I'm going to talk about it. Now let's talk about the Ender3 V3. Well, the Enders are traditionally the entry-level printers for the majority of the people that 3D print out there. I myself started with the CR10, which was a slightly bigger variation than the Ender, but the Ender has been the school for a lot of people that 3D print. This is the latest version, which is the Ender3 V3. This is already a last generation 3D printer. So what would I say about it? It has a 600 millimeters a second 3D print speed, which currently the majority of the printers have, but this is an entry-level printer that do have that characteristic. So it's super cool to have that ability to have that option once you are starting it out. When we move into the Creality High combo, we also have a last generation 3D printer, but you do have the option to have the Creality CFS. And there's one thing about the Creality CFS in the Creality High that is the biggest differentiator out there. Well, this is the only bed slinger that you can put multiple CFSs. So you can print up to 16 different colors on a bed slinger. And you cannot find that characteristic in any other competitor. The Creality High has a build volume of 260 by 260 by 300. So you can print pretty big pieces here. Whereas the Ender3 has a build volume of 220 by 220 by 250. So slightly smaller, slightly more economical. It's up to you what to pick. Now let's talk about the main difference between the two of them. The Creality High has the option for you to include the Creality CFS, whereas the Ender3 V3 does not. However, there are speculations that Creality might be working on something similar to an AMS Lite, but for their suite of products. And more than that, there are also speculations that Creality is working on a solution that is going to bring multicolor not only to this machine and the other machines of its own line, but also to every machine out there. So maybe if you already have an Ender3 V3, or if you don't want to make the investment for a Creality High at the moment, it can be that in the near future you will be able to upgrade it into a multicolor printer. Now let's talk about the price. Creality High comes at $369 without the CFS and $519 with the CFS, whereas the Ender3 V3 comes at $299. In my personal opinion, I would go with the Creality High. If I don't want the CFS right now, it's a small change in price, but also if I want to, I can upgrade with the CFS, and I also have a little bit of extra build volume. So now tell me in the comments below, which one of these two you think it's best suit for your need? We've been in China for 10 days seeing everything about 3D printing, so if you don't want to miss this content and see all that we have to show, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!